The Polkadot.js extension is a browser extension that allows you to interact with the Polkadot network directly from your web browser. Here's how to use it. Install the extension. Install the Polkadot.js extension from the Chrome Web Store or Firefox add-on store. Create or import account. Once installed, open the extension and create a new Polkadot account or import an existing one using your seed phrase or private key. Access wallet functions. The extension provides access to various wallet functions, including sending and receiving DOT tokens, viewing transaction history, and managing account settings. Interact with the Polkadot network. Use the extension to interact with the Polkadot network. You can participate in staking, vote on referenda, and interact with decentralized applications built on Polkadot. Manage staking. If you want to stake your DOT tokens, the extension provides a user-friendly interface for nominating validators, managing nominations, and tracking staking rewards. Sign and verify messages. You can sign and verify messages using your Polkadot account directly from the extension, providing an added layer of security for your transactions. Stay informed. The extension also provides updates and notifications about network activities, events, and announcements related to the Polkadot ecosystem.